Hi, it's me Niharika and welcome to a new lesson. You know guys, I bought this dress from a newly opened store. Let me tell you guys, the store is a beaut and they had this promo offer and look at this dress. I mean, it's so comfy and fab. Well, you must be wondering, beaut, fab, comfy. I mean, what are these words in English, Niharika? What are you trying to say? Well, yes, English language. Well, English language really surprises me. Or rather than the way we speak the language in today's world, I mean, look at it. It has changed so much. With all the slangs, with all the abbreviations, colloquial words like I wanna, I gotta, I gonna go. Yeah, I mean, these are colloquial words and so on. So, well, guess what? We have another form of words in English and they're called as shortened English words. Shortened English words, yeah. It specifically means the dropping the later part of the word so as to produce a new and a shorter word of the same meaning. I know, you're like, I mean, when the word is already there in the language, why shorten it? But yeah, it's important for you to know because native speakers use these shortened words in their conversations. So it's not just while they're texting, even when they talk, even when they speak, well, they do end up using these words. So I have a list of a few words for you. So we are going to go through it. We're going to understand what they exactly mean, what are the shortened words, and how do you use them. The first one is ad. Well, ad is a shortened word for advertisement. Yes, I mean, we do see advertisements in the newspapers, on the TV, and so on. But this word in English is so big, advertisement. Yeah, it's really big, right? So everyone who speaks English understands the word ad. Like when you say the word ad, they all know it. Like, hey, have you seen the McD ad? It's pretty funny, right? Oh, by the way, I said McD. McD is another shortened word for McDonald's. Yeah, the burger that you eat. Well, rather than saying I'm going to McDonald's, you say I'm going to McD. Okay? Let's have a look at another word, beaut. Well, it's a shortened word for beauty. Beauty is already a small word, so why shorten it? But yeah, the word that people like to use, rather than saying beauty, they say beaut. Remember, I mentioned about the store that I bought this lovely dress from? It's a beaut. My brother and I both love classic cars. Oh, but his car, I tell you, it's a beaut. So beaut is a shortened word for beauty. Okay? Another word for you is comfy. Oh, it's a rainy day and I'm feeling so comfy here. You know, when you feel really cozy and relaxed, you say comfy. Comfy is a shortened word of comfortable. Yes, that's how you pronounce it, comfortable. There are a lot of people who pronounce it as comfortable, but it's not comfortable, it's comfortable. Okay, so something like, oh, well, this is my outfit for my yoga. I mean, it is so comfy. Oh, my bed, it's so comfy. Okay, that's how you use it. Let's look at another word which is meds. Meds is a shortened word for medicines. You go to pharmacy to buy medicines. Well, now you can just say, oh, I gotta pick up my meds. Well, he's taking really strong meds to help his depression. Yeah, I mean, he gotta control his depression, so the doctor has prescribed him some meds. Okay, so meds is a shortened word for the word medicines. The next one that I have for you is prep. Prep is for preparation. Now, it's the process to make something. So the prep time for roasting the chicken is just 15 minutes. So prep is a shortened word for the word preparation. Okay? Let's have a look at another one, that's promo. promo is promotion or promotional. Now, advertising is intended to increase the sales of a product or service, and that's exactly is called promotion, okay? For example, I booked the flight half price during a holiday promo, okay? So promo is a word, it's a shortened word in English of the big word that's promotion or promotional. Here's another shortened word in English which is pretty interesting and used commonly, that's rep. Rep is a shortened word for representative. Wow, representative, that's long word. Just say rep. Now, rep is someone who speaks or does something officially for another person or group of people. So something like, the sales rep explained the difference between the various types of cars. Okay? So, he's the sales rep. Rather than saying he's the sales representative. Can I meet your sales representative? Let's make speaking really simple, right? So, let's just use the word rep. Here's another one for you, that's sub. Sub is a shortened English word for substitute. Substitute is a person or a thing that acts or serves in a place for another. So, something like, all the kids in the school misbehave when their sub is in the class. Yes. I mean, have you noticed that? I mean, even as kids, when we used to have like a sub teacher, we used to not even bother. Like we were always having fun, making too much of noise. So yes, sub is a shortened English word for substitute. Well, another word for you to understand is undies. Well, undies, that's funny. Well, undies is actually a shortened English term for underwear. Yes, I mean, we all know what it means, so I really don't have to explain it to you. But yes, pull up your pants, your undies are showing. Yes, that's how you use this word. So it's undies, it's the shortened English word for underwear, okay? The next one I have for you is abs. Oh, your abs are so perfect. So they're actually your muscles, your abdominal muscles or your stomach muscles. Wow, have you been working out these days? I mean, look at your abs, right? So have you heard that word before? I'm sure you have. Here's the next one for you, admin. Admin is a shortened word for administration or administrator. It's a person or a department that runs in an organization. So for example, I'll have to check with the admin department regarding this. Okay, so when you are at work and a lot of people end up saying that, oh, you gotta check with the admin. So what does admin really mean? Well, now you know it. Here's another one for you, fab. I mean, you look fab tonight. Fab is a shortened word for fabulous. Something that is absolutely wonderful, absolutely stunning. Like her dance performance was fab. So this is the way you end up using the word fab. Like I said, I mean the store was fab, my dress is fab. Fab is actually fabulous. So guys, I am gonna end this session today with my favorite word, which is vocab. Yes, vocab is a short word for the word vocabulary. Oh, that reminds me of daily video vocab. Yes, daily video vocabulary where you learn a word every single day with 10 examples. Isn't that awesome? So that helps you to increase your vocab. The link is somewhere right here, or the link is also in the description. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get regular updates with all our amazing lessons. I'll be back soon. Till then, you take care and keep smiling.